So, how do you contact me in this class? Obviously, since we have face-to-face class on Zoom, you can contact me by saying, hey, professor, during class. But maybe you want to speak to me one-on-one or a issue comes up outside of class. The best way to reach me outside of class is by email. If you have questions or concerns at any point during the semester, feel free to email me. My email's at the top of the syllabus. It's also posted on Brightspace. I strive to respond within 48 hours. It's not guaranteed, but honestly, usually it's faster. If there are going to be major delays, I will communicate them to you on Brightspace announcements and or using an out-of-office email reply. I do ask that you address your emails like you would any piece of professional correspondence. So that means putting your full name and in our case, the course and section number. I teach a lot of classes and I don't always right off the top of my head know when someone's saying, hey, what's the assignment for next week? Which class assignment you're talking about. I also would like a general topic of the email in the subject line, right? Just let me know what's happening. And these details, name, course and section number, and general topic of the email and subject line help me be able to respond to you quicker. And they also help me make sure I see your email. Aside from the fact that I teach a bunch of classes, you have no idea how much legitimate looking sort of spam I get. You get all sorts of like academic journals emailing, and they're legit. They're not spam, but they feel like spam because there's just so much of them. So it can be really easy to miss emails from students accidentally. So if you put, your name and course in the subject line, I'm gonna know it's from you, and I'm gonna know it's from a student, and that I need to pay attention to it. The other way to get in touch with me outside of class is during office hours. Now, our office hours are before and after class. Before class, I do ask that you just shoot me an email and say, hey, I want to meet before class. I'm always available during that time, but I'm not going to log into Zoom early unless someone tells me they want to meet. Now, after class, I will just stay on Zoom. So we'll have class and I will just stay in the Zoom room and y'all can talk to me. If there's a bunch of people who want to talk, I can send everyone out to the waiting room and invite people back in one at a time. If there's only one person or there's two of you and you both have the same question, that's great. Then y'all can stay in and we can just talk. Uh, Now, if you can't meet on Zoom before or after class, or something comes up during the week and you want to meet, don't hesitate to reach out. I have office hours for my other classes on other days of the week, so you can always schedule those. I actually believe I put the Calendly scheduling link on Brightspace for that. And if I haven't, I will do that. And I will share that in class as well. Or you can send me an email and ask for another time. Can't guarantee that they'll be available like anytime, but we can always work to find a time not on Sundays if that's best. So those are the best ways to contact me. And again, feel free to ask questions in class as well.